Welcome back to the English Hub, broadcasting from sunny Los Angeles, California. I'm your host, David Miller, and today we've got something fun, interactive, and, dare I say, slightly competitive. So, grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea, take a comfy seat, and let's shake off that school lesson vibe. This isn't your typical English class. Nope, this is the Find the Mistake Challenge. Here's how it works. First, I'll read you a short text that has some mistakes in it. Then, you'll have 20 seconds to spot as many as you can. If you need more time, just hit pause. No shame in that. And after the countdown, we'll go through the text together, correct each mistake, and explain why it's wrong. Sounds good? All right, let's play. Here's the text for today's challenge. Listen carefully. Every morning, I wakes up at 7 o'clock. My brother brush his teeth and go to work, but I likes to stay at home and plays video games. Sometimes my mom cook breakfast, and sometimes we eats at the cafe near our house. Okay, that was our challenge text. You've got 20 seconds to find the mistakes. Go for it. All right, time's up. Let's see how many mistakes you caught. There were quite a few sneaky ones in there. Let's go sentence by sentence and fix them together. First sentence, every morning I wakes up at 7 o'clock. The mistake here is with the verb wakes. In present simple, when the subject is I, you, we, or they, we use the base form of the verb. So it should be I wake, not I wakes. The correct sentence is, every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. Second sentence, my brother brush his teeth and go to work. Here we've got two verbs, brush and go, and both are missing the third person singular s. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add s to the verb in present simple tense. So it should be, my brother brushes his teeth and goes to work. Next one, but I likes to stay at home and plays video games. Same issue, but the other way around. The subject here is I, so we don't use s. The correct forms are I like and play. The correct sentence is, but I like to stay at home and play video games. Last sentence. Sometimes my mom cook breakfast and sometimes we eats at the cafe near our house. Two mistakes here. The first one is with cook. The subject, my mom, is she, so we need to say cooks. And the second one is we, eats. Since we is plural, it should be we eat. So the correct version is, sometimes my mom cooks breakfast and sometimes we eat at the cafe near our house. Now, let's put the corrected version together. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. My brother brushes his teeth and goes to work, but I like to stay at home and play video games. Sometimes my mom cooks breakfast, and sometimes we eat at the cafe near our house. Beautiful! You just mastered the third-person S rule in English present simple tense. Not too bad, right? If you enjoyed this Find the Mistake challenge, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the English Hub, and leave a comment telling us how many mistakes you caught today. Maybe you got them all, or maybe one slipped past you. Either way, you're learning, and that's what counts. This is David Miller from the English Hub in Los Angeles, California, reminding you to keep learning, keep laughing, and keep your grammar sharp. See you in the next challenge.